Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Zeplin Design Handoff Tool. Review my usage experience. Zeplin Design Handoff Tool. Review my usage experience offers a streamlined way for designers and developers to collaborate on design handoffs. It's aimed at improving the efficiency and accuracy of transferring design specs from designers to developers, reducing the back and forth and misunderstandings often encountered in this process. Key features include asset sharing, style guide generation, and version control. Their website provides details on pricing plans and features. Zeplin positions itself as a solution for faster development cycles and improved communication, emphasizing ease of use and a clean interface. They boast a fast and reliable platform, with a focus on reducing errors in the handoff process. Pricing is transparent, and they offer different plans to suit various team sizes and needs. Availability is worldwide, accessible via web browser. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Zeplin. Getting started was a breeze. The onboarding process was intuitive, and I was able to import my first design file within minutes. Navigating the interface was straightforward. The dashboard is clean and well organized. I particularly appreciated the ability to easily share assets with developers. Simply selecting the elements and generating the required specs was incredibly efficient. The style guide feature also proved incredibly useful, ensuring everyone was on the same page regarding fonts, colors, and spacing. Performance was excellent, everything loaded quickly, and I experienced no glitches during my use. I had a quick question about integrating with a specific design software, and their support responded within 24 hours via email, providing a helpful and detailed answer. A pro for me was definitely how easily it integrates with Figma and Sketch. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app for quick access on the go. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Zeplin. It significantly sped up my workflow and improved communication with developers. It streamlined the handoff process and reduced the number of revisions needed, saving considerable time and effort. That's my overview of Zeplin Design Handoff Tool. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.